our company Engaiz is developing the next-gen AI-driven SaaS platform to help enterprise organizations and their vendor partners manage and govern outsourced services, all in one integrated platform, both digitally and cognitively enabled. So that's our key differentiator. Organizations, increasingly depend on third-party service providers to meet digital age challenges of technological innovation and heightened competition, right? So what is this leading to? All these increased dependence on third parties leading to increased risk with regard to your vendors. It leads to, from an enterprise organization perspective, it leads to challenge managing and governing the growing vendor ecosystem. And number three is, for vendor partners, it again has they also have a growing challenge in terms of thriving within the competitive and multi-vendor ecosystem. So that's what we are trying to solve at this point. In terms of our competitive advantage, how are we differentiating from the rest of the platforms available? One thing is, as I said, the three challenges that we are trying to solve, we really believe that these three challenges are interconnected. So what it means is it requires an integrated solution. So what our platform does is it provides one integrated platform for both vendor managers as well as the vendor partners. So basically the enterprise organizations on one side, on the vendor partners on the other side. The second thing is our platform is not only digitally enabled, but we have also cognitively enabled it. We have AI, machine learning integrated into it. So that's the second part. The third part is, apart from it being AI driven, we are also integrating it with expert human advisory services. So it is one integrated platform, AI driven and human-led advisory services. So those three things are combined to make it a very unique offering for enterprise organizations. What we are truly expecting to achieve out of Collision is, we are obviously we find all these great startups here. We are trying to network. We are trying to also, pitch this one to potential investors here and kind of get their feedback as well, right? So it's a great forum for us to be in, and we are looking forward to the rest of the day today. Yeah.